So we purchased this vehicle and there's like some splatter, concrete splatter. They probably drove behind a like concrete cement truck or something. But we're using water and just distilled white vinegar on a paper towel. And you just let the acid break down the cement. So I'm holding it on there. I got one spot off already over there. So you'll see it get lighter and lighter. Just light pressure, don't push too hard. Almost gone. You can see the scratch marks from previous owner scratching it. There we go, much better. All right, we'll neutralize it with a wet paper towel. So we have just water on paper towel, and now we need to neutralize it. You don't want the acid sitting on there. Alright, looks so much better. And then now I'm going to spray on ceramic spray. It's pretty good. There we go. It was a big iceberg.